What up, YouTube? Another gig, another day. We're back here at the same bars I DJ'd last weekend. The one and only, the Ghetto ass bar. I explained it in my video last week. I'm about to start in about 10 minutes. Hopefully it'll be more packed than last time. We're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna try and be as quick as possible, in and out, get home at a good time, get to bed early. Just kidding, I got plans after this, but we'll see how it goes and I'll keep you guys updated. I'm gonna try to film a lot more than last time, so stay tuned. Same setup, the only difference is I don't have my subs here. Other than that, same setup. I got my beers over here. I'm all set, ready to go.
Johnny on the dance floor.
Gig log update. I just left the bar. It is 2:20 a.m. It was a long fucking night. I hit 3 bonuses again. Pretty good crowd tonight. So you can tell I got some lipstick right there. Whew. Just got done editing the video. It's hot, man. It's hot. Smells like beer money. Let's get that paper. Yo, guys, it was a pretty good gig. It was pretty entertaining to watch. That girl was like raping everyone in the club, raping the girls, raping the guys. It was pretty funny to watch. Stay tuned. Next weekend, I got a gig at a casino in Nevada. It's a biker rally, so it might be pretty interesting. Stay tuned for that. Be sure to comment in the video, like, subscribe, and keep getting that paper. Let's go.